Okay, just wanted to do a follow-up on that other glue didn't work out for me, so I went with this Gorilla crystal clear glue, and you do have to wait until 24 hours for this to set up. I did take the tab off, and I had to go back and resand it. I used one of these drum type of sanding discs on there, and to get in there with some fine handiwork, I use one of these or a couple of these in here to do some fine shaping. But I actually cut, this is a door guide, a pocket door guide, and I cut off these two sections here, and so I was left with just the that part. And this is really strong plastic, and it's about the perfect size for the tab. And so essentially you're cutting out the tab part on the bumper, and then I use the this double-sided tape to support it underneath, like I was originally with that other piece of board. And to cut it, I use this really fine tooth blade, and this is I think it's actually made in the U.S. Yeah, okay. And look at that. Okay. So anyway, it did work, and but this was the final answer for getting the tab securely put in there. And you just need to, I did have good luck with this stuff and not the other glue, so Gorilla Glue won on that. And the bumper's back together, and I just want to point it out, but double-sided tape comes in really handy because the glue will actually go through the webbing and give you a nice good bond onto the plastic as well. So these can be found at most hardware stores, but it's actually made for pocket doors, and the part you really need is going to be the square part or rectangular part. So this comes off, and this comes off the other side, or you can just cut it down lengthwise. All right, well, anyway, that's it. This is just a regular Dremel drum tool, and these can be picked up anywhere for your Dremel. And so anyway, want to give a follow-up, let you know what happened, what I used to fix it. You can spend a little bit or you can spend a lot, but if you only have one, maybe two tabs to redo, you don't have to spend a bunch of money. I know there's a lot of really expensive tools out there, but this actually worked, and it's just the right size. It fits in there, and it's super strong. So